going on, guys? XSR Detroit here. I'm here with my buddy Jeremy.
Hey.
We're working on my Ford Maverick today. Today we'll be installing a tailgate assist from, I don't remember.
Vepagoo.
Vepagoo. Thank you, Vepagoo, for providing this tailgate assist for us. Should be a quick, easy install, so let's grab some tools and get to work. I'm going to start out by removing this cable. It's very easy to do. You just grab this tab, slide it up, and it pops right off. The next step is to remove the hardware for the cable. This is a T50 Torx fastener. We'll just set that on the tailgate. We're gonna grab this bracket, our cable hardware, and just go ahead and reinstall that. So I don't have a torque value for this, but obviously just snug it up, put a little spice on it, not too much obviously. The next bracket we're gonna be installing goes on the tailgate. I wanted to show this to you guys with this off the tailgate because I don't think it's just gonna translate well. So this is gonna match up with the hole on the tailgate. So what we're gonna have to do is while we pop this mount on, we're gonna have to turn this so it's vertical so the fastener can catch onto the nut. I made a bit of a mistake on this. I thought because this was a sunken Allen head fastener that I wouldn't need the washer, but it did come loose on me, so make sure you put at least one of the washers at this location. Just go ahead and twist, and we're gonna start screwing that in. And this is a 5mm Allen fastener. I'm not going to tighten up that too much. We are now ready to mount up the tailgate assist strut. So basically the collar is going to be facing upward. So you want to make sure you want to put this on correctly. But basically you just go ahead, pop that on. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift the tailgate a little bit to bring the strut a little closer to pop on. There it is. Sweet. We won't have room for the tailgate assist with this bracket on, so I'm going to have to remove it. It is kind of annoying losing a strap point, but I do have some rings that I'm going to put on to replace it. I really like using this for my kayaks, so one of my hesitations with even getting one of these was losing this, but I'll put an Amazon link for these rings. You know, you get, I think, like 5 of them for $10, so you can use them in different spots in your truck, so it's a pretty good value, and you're not going to lose this spot, but we do need to take this bracket off. We've got 2 T30 Torx fasteners to remove, and then we'll reinstall the ring.
It does look nice with the headliner though.
Quick note in editing here, there's this hole where this fastener used to be. Off camera, I did put the bolt back in. I figured just having an exposed threaded hole in the tailgate probably wasn't a good idea, and it doesn't get in the way of any of the hardware. So this is the ring I mentioned earlier that I'm going to use to replace the bracket. I grabbed one of the washers to put on the stock hardware, and we're just going to fasten this in. I think this is a pretty good compromise because you're not missing out on a strap point, but you get the benefits of the tailgate assist. So we'll just fasten that down and call it a day. Go ahead and lift the tailgate and reattach your cable. Let's test her out. Go ahead and just pop it. There we go, pretty slick. I was actually a little concerned about space with the cable, but it doesn't seem to be getting in the way at all. Like when I'm closing it, closes just fine. Another thing is this additional strap hook I put down is not touching the body or anything, so it's got great clearance. You can even wiggle it when the tailgate is up, so we're not running into any issues. All of this is working together cohesively. Sweet, dude.
Hells yeah.
I like it. That's all for this video, guys. Super easy install. This should take you like maybe 15 minutes tops. Pretty cool though. I think it's pretty useful. The Maverick tailgate is pretty light, so you know this isn't something you might necessarily need. It's a convenience thing, and I think for the price and just how quick and easy it is to install, it's worth checking out. I could see, you know, if you had like a handful of groceries, or perhaps if you're an elderly person, this would come in handy. I'm stoked to have it on the truck. I feel like it's going to be one of those things that the more I use it, the more I'm going to just appreciate it. So pretty cool. Thank you to the homeboy Jeremy for bringing it over.
Got it.
The company name again, I can't remember.
Oh shoot, I forgot. Vegapoo.
Vegapoo. Shout outs Vegapoo. Thank you for the tailgate assist. But as always, guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more Maverick content.